going to leave in about, what's the time now? It's 8:15. So I'm being picked up at 8:45. I know the second I walk out that door, it's going to be whoom. So in this video, I go across to Bodrum in Turkey on a small boat that goes across. It's about 40-50 minutes. Let's see what I got up to. So here we are outside. I can really smell something sweet in the air, like flowers. I don't know if it's bougainvillea that I can smell. I don't know if that's something that smells. But cute anyway. Nice. Let's go. So it did only take me 2 minutes to walk here. The lady's been and opened the gate this morning. I was earlier yesterday. I saw her come and open the gate. Now, can you hear the noise? So they're kind of like little crickets that fly. So sort of like moths or something. And it gets louder at this time of day. I just found a map I'm going to look at. Sorry, feel like me a bit. So I'm trying to see where I am. I think I'm about... Why have they not got a UR here? I think I'm here sort of somewhere. I'd like to find where we went yesterday because that was really, really nice. But I think down here there's some beach bars and things. I might try and have a little wander down there later this evening to see. But I'm not sure if that's the castle. If that's where we went on the bus yesterday, that was brilliant. It was lovely. It's so nice. I could definitely walk there. But I'm going to pick my bus up over there. But beyond those trees is a hotel. So I'm going to go and have a look at that hotel because I haven't done that yet. And they think this is where I'm actually staying because they keep calling out the name of it. That's the one where they're like, da, 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 and I don't know what they said. Anyway, can you hear? Listen. It's getting louder. Oh, it's got lights around that tree. I bet that's cute, isn't it? It's getting louder. Now on the zebra crossings there, you have to wait for them to stop. So that's interesting. Right, so this is the hotel that I'm not staying in. I'm going to have a look at. Oh, I've got a swimming pool. I wonder if I could just wander in and be cheeky. Why not? Could do. It does actually look like quite a nice little hotel. Can't lie. So I just need to find out a bit more about that. If I can use it. Look at the gardens. Oh, it feels like I'm in a hotel. But I've got no wristband on. I don't think you need a wristband for there, but I'll find out. So I've definitely started to wave at the coach drivers now, and they're waving back, which is quite cute. As I'd hoped, when I come outside, look, I've got a bit of a rosy glow on my face now. Oh my goodness, I'm really ashamed. Look at this. A bit creased up. I'm sure with the heat that'll sort itself out. So, yeah, just wait here for my bus. So you might remember yesterday I was on that side of the road, which is the wrong side. I hope it's still the wrong side and I'm on the right side today. But the bus driver was really sweet and he was really patient with me. It took me ages to cross the road. But yeah, he just waited really nicely and I liked that. I appreciated that. That was quite cute. So yeah, still waiting. And then we're going to go, I think, to the port, get on the ferry or catamaran or something. I don't know what I'm going to get on. So yeah, I was on the wrong side, but hey, what can we do? Remember, if you're taking this trip, you need your passports. So today we're going on Apollo 2 over to Bodrum in Turkey. Ferry crossing was really lovely. Obviously there was no air conditioning on there because it was all open, but when we got off there was this massive queue which we stood in for absolute ages with no shade, but very hot. Wasn't a lot of fun, but we're through passport control now. It took us about half an hour, I suppose, so yeah, it could be worse, but it's looking lovely out there today. Let's go find our coach. Congratulations! This was a multi-stop tour, and the first place we stopped was at the top of a mountain overlooking beautiful views of Bodrum, and there was a swing there you could sit on, great for Instagram, and then you could walk also to some ruined windmills, and I was blown away with this. I started to really enjoy Bodrum already. going to see these ruined windmills, which is amazing. Very rocky, so be careful with your feet. Make sure you wear trainers. Look at this really cute couple doing a photo shoot up here. It's very, very hot. The guy just said that we are in a total heat wave. But down there you can sit and get orange juice and stuff, but wow, what a lovely view it is up here. Gorgeous. Okay, very pretty. As you can imagine, it's real blistering heat up here. It's the sort that I was worried about, and now I've got it on the back of my legs. Wowzers. But look down there. Unfortunately, there's a load of broken glass and litter. That's really not very good, but hey, but look down here. Oh God, there's loads of litter. Naughty, naughty. Anyway, but this is just lovely. Gorgeous.
Ah, yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready.
To the women especially. Turkey is one of the first countries in the world that gave rights to the women to vote and to be elected before Germany, before Italy, before England.
Wünsche Ihnen einen guten Appetit.
Okay, come here, just a little bit. So, come closer, please. So, welcome to since 1955. All our products are natural, and here we have certificates about our high quality. So, special small pomegranates without seeds from the village Şirince. And maybe you all know about black cumin oil. This is an excellent antioxidant that.
This store had lots of natural remedies inside, an amazing array of coffee that you could choose from, and the biggest selection I've ever seen of Turkish Delight, which you was able to try as you went around the store. So I literally filled up on it. It was absolutely delicious, and if you can think of a flavour, I'm sure that they had it there.
Yummy ice cream.
The town was very quaint and there was lots to see and lots to do. I was incredibly hot and I needed to catch up on a little bit of work, so I found myself a Starbucks to go sit in for a while. It's lunchtime. Russell suggested me fish and chips. Chicken and chips, sorry, not fish and chips. And look, see that? It's really got hot, yeah, very warm indeed. I'm going to try and connect to the Wi-Fi, see what temperature it is. This was likely one of my highlights of the entire trip. They were so kind to me in this restaurant, and I actually got talking to a lady who worked there as well, and she was also really kind, and I really needed that.
Normally, with my chicken shish, you have
That's
some
lovely.
traditional rice.
Okay, so I've just had a really lovely lunch in that really nice restaurant. And they let me use their Wi-Fi, which is really kind. And now this is the harbour. We're about to go back to the port. I have really enjoyed Bodrum. I think it's been really impressive. It's been much more impressive than I expected. So that's the name of the restaurant over there, Moist Soul. If you want to go there, tell them I sent you. Just followed them on Instagram, so that's cute. But yeah, it's really been impressed with Bodrum. Really nice trip. So that's cheered me up. No end. Yeah, look at that, 2023 Bodrum. See that? Cute.
So the captain of the cruise would like to say thank you for lots of publicity and a wonderful holiday. Thank you very much, everyone.
Get through passport control. There was another about half an hour wait, but this time we was in the shade. Be prepared for that, especially there was nowhere to sit, so if you need to sit, take something with you. So back again, a bit hotter than this morning, but time to go. Man, that's a hot day out there. Apparently it's 50 in the shade, so look at the state of me. I've just got in my room. It's nice and cool actually, because I kept everything closed. And I'm going to dump my stuff off, go to the loo, to reply to a couple of messages while I'm on the Wi-Fi. And then I'm going to go for a walk and see if I can find like a beach bar or something along those lines. Because I really fancy sitting by the water and having some sort of drink. Not drink, as you know. But yeah, today's been a good day. I've chatted to some really nice people who've been really helpful, so I'm appreciating them for that. Wear this outfit, yeah, and then I'll come back reasonable, have a nice shower, wash my hair, and do some editing. Still very hot. It's 6 o'clock, so let's see. There's a bit of a breeze coming up actually, so it might be all right down at the beach. Let's see. Yeah, we've got to make a little bit of noises. Oh, they fly as well. So I found the beach. I don't know if you can see how hazy it is over there, but there's big time fires in Rhodes. Sorry about the music in the background, but I'm liking this vibe. It's really cute. So it's like a beach bar over there that you sort of sit on, and there's music and food and stuff. So I'm gonna go for a paddle. This sofa settled me down. And this sofa kind of helped, so I'm gonna sit here for a little while. Finally got sandy toes. Well, this has been lovely. It's been a definite highlight. However, there is some news, not very good news. I'm going to turn this around for you. Look how lovely this is. So all down here, you've got these bars and restaurants where you can just sit on the sunbeds and sit in there and buy food and stuff. Weird time of night, because obviously day people gone, nighttime people aren't out yet. So there are, in Rhodes, which is an island 61 kilometres away, very severe fires going on at the minute, and they've evacuated. And I'm sitting here thinking, what do I do? Very worrying. What do I do?
Hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin.
I've actually just booked a flight. I'm going home tomorrow.
I know it's really frustrating. I know that's awful news to hear, but unfortunately we have no control over that. We just have to get ourselves into the queue, which we are. At the moment, there's a lot of restricted space as well within the lower levels of Greece, because they are doing a lot of firefighting, so aircraft are diving to the sea and climbing around. So
There she is. There's my girl. You alright? I'm alright. Grab my bags.